What's up guys, EG Chris here. So I got a package, I don't know what it is, from Lazymangarage. I was gonna surprise him, but instead he surprised me. But we're gonna surprise each other. But yeah, this is unexpected. I'm having to open it and I got my little helper. Say hi, it's Penelope. Okay, let's open it.
Okay.
We're opening it.
You're open it, Daddy. I'll open it too.
You're open it?
I'm not open it.
Alright.
What?
I'm not gonna look at the description. I want it to be a total surprise. Alright. Open it. Open it. What is it, Bubba? Pikachu! Oh snap, I know what it is. It is an overflow tank, and that's exactly what I freaking wanted or needed. The one I had on there was ugly. Penny, show it off. Whee! Say thank you.
What's it?
Say thank you.
What's it?
Alright, we gotta open this up and show it off. So, wrinkle black, Mishimoto, reservoir, overflow, whatever. He must have seen that I had the stalker one on and knew that I probably needed this because the one I had on it was super ugly. Penelope's acting crazy. I don't even know what this is. This was in the package, but Penelope keeps throwing it. I might just install this now.
Thanks, Lazymangarage. I really love my overflow tank. I can't wait to put it on my EG, bro. Woo!
So, as you may have seen, this is my current setup, and it is just super ghetto. It is ugly, and it just takes away from all the work I've been doing. I'm trying to, the car's not perfect, but I'm trying my best to make it as clean as possible with my resources that I have. So this was like my temporary, which ended up being like permanent setup. So what I'm gonna do here is get this out and see where I'm gonna put the new reservoir, and probably take this out and clean up some of the mess from the coolant from the original time I bled everything. All right, so I thought maybe I could put it down here in this little hole, but then it hits the toe bracket and I don't want to take that out just in case, decides to blow up. Who the hell knows? I thought maybe here, but then I don't feel like relocating this ground quite yet. Although I'm thinking I might just put it where this hole is, now that I was looking at it. Then I thought about putting it here, but then the fan's in the way. So now I'm thinking about putting it here, which for whatever reason on this rad support, it like fits perfect. Don't ask me how or why, but it seems to fit perfect. And I think this will be the ideal spot. I kind of like this because, it's not jumbled up with everything over here. And, if someone's checking it out, aka myself, I'm going to say, hey, that's that cool part Lazymangarage gave you. Make sure to check out his Instagram and his YouTube, Lazymangarage. He's also selling t-shirts, $25 shipped. Alright, so it worked out just the way I wanted it to. I like the position of it. It looks pretty damn good. I like the black matches, everything that I have black, and the chrome matches a little bit of chrome I got in here, nothing crazy, but yeah, I really like how it came out. And I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna relocate this ground wire. I gotta clean a lot of coolant spill marks everywhere. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I'll figure out something to do, and then I'll wrap up this little video. Alright, so I just cleaned everything up. Only thing I was not able to get was the radiator. I don't know if you can see, but it's like got all this dry coolant inside of it, and I'm not about to bust out the hose or nothing. It's super cold out. I moved the ground from here and I painted it because it was I shaved it so it would have a good contact, and I moved it down here where the OEM overflow crappy tank was. We put this one over here, which I'm loving the position of it. I think it looks great. And I have this intake set up. I don't know if it's growing on me, because I don't know how I feel about this hump. I look at it and I'm like, it kind of looks silly, but it's functional. Should I just have it come this way, or does it look cool? I don't know. Put in the comments what you guys think about the intake setup. Should I leave it with this little hump, or just have it come straight over, or whatever? But I don't know. I'm kind of like thinking it's kind of cool. It's kind of different. I don't know. Who the hell knows? It'll grow on me, or we'll figure it out. And then I kind of just cleaned up some of this crap. Like, I mean, this isn't perfect, but that was kind of messed up. And the tie rod boot I kind of cleaned up, and the shifter cables I cleaned a little bit. But I don't know. Everything's going pretty damn good so far. Let's cross our fingers. I got some like crappy looking parts here, like the bracket here isn't totally nice looking, and the alternator's kind of cruddy, but I don't know if I'm quite ready to change that out yet. And then I got this bolt that was from the D series, little stuff that's kind of like bugging me, but I mean, we can only do little by little. And you know, I don't know, I just don't want to go crazy and jump into something I'm not ready for. So yeah, I don't know what's next. We'll figure it out. I kind of have an idea of where I want to go next, but I don't know, it's all time. It's all time and money. So check it out the next time. Hopefully I got some cool new parts. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, egchris92. Later.